Welcome back to Quiz Gamers. Each question have 10 seconds to answer. Gain 1 point for a correct answer. Add up the points to see your true level of knowledge at the end of the video. Let's begin. Which animal cannot jump? Elephant. Which planet spins on its side? Uranus. What is the only fruit with seeds on the outside? Strawberry. Which bird can fly backwards? Hummingbird. Which organ can regenerate itself? Liver. Which country has no rivers? Saudi Arabia. What color is a polar bear's skin? Black. Which gas do plants absorb? Carbon dioxide. Which is the fastest land animal? Cheetah. Which animal has fingerprints similar to humans? Koala. What is the largest organ in the human body? Skin. Which ocean is the deepest? Pacific. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Mercury. Which planet is the hottest? Venus. Which animal sleeps standing up? Cow. What is the hardest natural substance? Diamond. Which country invented pizza? Italy. Which insect can taste with its feet? Butterfly. Which planet has the most moons? Jupiter. Which animal has the longest neck? Giraffe. Which is the smallest continent? Australia. Which animal can change its color? Chameleon. Which is the tallest animal? Giraffe. Which bird is a universal symbol of peace? Dove. Which planet is called the Red Planet? Mars. Which animal has 3 hearts? Octopus. Which part of the plant makes food? Leaf. Which country has the most islands? Sweden. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? Camel. Which is the longest river in the world? Nile. Which gas is most abundant in air? Nitrogen. Which animal has the largest brain? Blue whale. Which is the coldest continent? Antarctica. Which fruit is known as the king of fruits? Mango. Which is the smallest bone in the body? Stapes. Which planet has rings? Saturn. Which animal is known for its black and white stripes? Zebra. Which is the largest desert in the world? Antarctica. Which organ controls the body? Brain. Which animal is the largest in the world? Blue whale. Thank you for the amazing comments. Best comments will be displayed in our videos. If you answered all 40 questions, you are a genius. If not, play again to improve. Share your encouraging thoughts as comments. Best comments will be displayed in the upcoming videos. See you shortly with another marvelous video. Like, share and subscribe for more fun videos.